who won the local election in Manila have been proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa aking mga minamahal na lolo at lola. I love you. Mga nanay at tatay natin na senior citizen at siyempre yung ating mga batang Maynila for the overwhelming support. And I hope this is just a start of our journey together. The people and the government works hand in hand to have a better city of Manila. Samahan niyo po kami. Umpisa pa lang po ito. And for the meantime, in the next few days, Chichi and I and the newly elected members of the City Council will meet in preparation of plans that we promise to our people. So, yun. Second, 26 hours.
Gusto ko yung second, John. Yung pag-usapan
Baliwala yung hintay namin 26 hours. 3 years na din tayo ang taong bayan. So yung pag-hintay namin 26, wala yung maliit na bagay. But when I said, we should start healing ourselves, is simply because maraming mga masasakit na salita na naibato sa aming mga leader, sa amin, ni Chichi, ako, and all other things. But again and again, I just wanted to lead the city with no hatred among each other. I think we should come up with any way of arc of random kindness sa ating isa't isa. Mas gusto ko yung magbati-bati na lang tayo. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman mga batang Maynila magkikita sa finals. And those people who comes in and out of the city. So we have an obligation to do in the coming 6 weeks. We will prepare, and I think we need to do what we have to do for the people of Manila. So that's why gusto ko we start from healing. Bati-bati na tayo. Ako, okay na ako. Nasaktan kami, don't get me wrong. Emotionally, psychologically, we were hurt. But the people overwhelmingly spoken. And that we respect. And I think that's good enough vindication for Chichi, Pinay, and the entire group. So we are very grateful about it. And we start moving on. And we move forward. And hopefully, with the help of our people, we move fast to recover. Mabalik ang kaaliwalasan, kalinisan, the peace and order situation of the city, kapanatagan ng pamumuhay, and Chichi, leading the City Council, presiding over the session, will come up with their idea with regard to how to deliver the livelihood program that she promised to the city, and we will have.